Hydrogen Park South Australia is the first step in South Australia's renewable gas journey. Also known as HyP SA, the $14.5 million facility is supported by $4.9 million from the South Australian Government and is an Australian-first facility to produce renewable hydrogen for a 5% renewable gas blend supplied via the existing gas network. It will also supply renewable hydrogen to industry in South Australia and potentially throughout Australia. So how is renewable gas produced at HyP SA? Renewable electricity enters the site directly from the local electricity network, passing through a series of electrical transformers and rectifiers to ensure it meets ideal specifications for hydrogen production. Water enters the site through an SA water connection and is purified by the water purification system. Hydrogen is produced at HyP SA using an electrolyser, which splits water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity, a process known as electrolysis. HyP SA's electrolyser is a 1.25 megawatt Siemens proton exchange membrane electrolyser. Importantly, the electrolyser can rapidly respond to fluctuations in the electricity market, ramping up when renewable electricity is abundant and would otherwise be wasted. It can also switch off when demand for electricity is high, helping to balance supply and demand in South Australia's electricity grid. The electrolyser can integrate the electricity and gas network by using the gas network like a giant battery to store excess renewable electricity. At a large scale, electrolysis can support more renewable electricity development and ensure efficient use of the electricity. The oxygen and hydrogen then exit the electrolyser, with the oxygen vented outside the building. The hydrogen leaving the electrolyser is over 99% pure. The hydrogen purification unit removes any final traces of oxygen and water from the hydrogen to make it 99.999% pure. The quality preferred by many emerging industries, including hydrogen transport. Once purified, the hydrogen can then be stored in the storage vessel for later use. To produce a hydrogen blend, 100% natural gas enters the site near the gas blending equipment. The natural gas flow rate is measured, and then the correct amount of hydrogen needed to create up to a 5% blend is injected into the gas blending equipment. The 5% renewable blended gas is then transported via the existing gas networks from the HyP SA site to more than 700 households in the nearby suburb of Mitchell Park, chosen for its close proximity to the facility within Tonsley Innovation District. Residents in the Mitchell Park project area have been kept informed throughout the project, and gas customers will neither experience any change in their current services nor pay any more than they do for receiving 100% natural gas. The blended gas is also as safe as the current natural gas supply. HyP SA will also supply renewable hydrogen to industry throughout South Australia and potentially Australia via tube trailer facilities. Tube trailers are semi-trailers with gas storage tanks that vary in length from small tubes to large-sized tanks, enabling gases like hydrogen to be transported by road to any destination. HyP SA is the first of a number of hydrogen projects by Australian Gas Infrastructure Group that will pave the way for a cleaner, greener future for Australia. For more information about HyP SA and AGIG's other hydrogen projects, visit our website.